अशी वाटी आहे का वाटी
ब्रॉट हिम इन अप.
ओके ओके. याला काही इंजुरी नाही का?
नो मॅन.
She has no injury, right?
Thomas China, no? Yeah, come only.
It's okay. सर थोडं आपल्याला
त्याला पण घेऊया आतमध्ये.
This is fine.
ब्लिडिंग असतं.
She's okay.
थोडं शांत करायसाठी आता सिलेक्ट केलेलं आहे, स्ट्रँग्युलायझेशन केलेलं आहे.
Okay, okay.
Because they will struggle and they will panic also.
आतमध्ये घेऊ.
हो ब्लिडिंग तोच आहे ना त्याला. अजून एक टॉवेल आहे.
पाणी खूप थांबत काय असतं.
Rope is still there.
Rope is still there.
Yeah, the small one I have seen now. Maybe it is not working. Maybe it is. This one is injured on two sides.
ते ओलं करून ठेवा.
त्याला बीर घे.
मोबाईल काढून
उडी मार. काट घालीस पायो. टच ए ओले टॉर्च वडतान.
आवाज थोडा कमी करा. ठीक आहे. ती जुनी आहे. हां तेवढंच ठीक आहे.
हम हुमायूं के साथ हैं अभी। हाँ हमारी गाड़ी है, हम गाड़ी लेके आए हैं। हाँ हाँ ओके ओके नो प्रॉब्लम।
What breed is? What breed? What is it called?
नीट कशामध्ये याच्यामध्ये सेटअप केलं.
But we removed most of it.
It's a flesh.
Yeah, we removed that. Full net was there. That leg is injured.
There is a flesh.
Anh mas one day.
Yeah.
Same side.
Just look out for them. It is little small. She has the frauds are connected. Torch. इथं पण नेट अटकली होती का सर? Yes, both of them.
Net was there for this one and for that leg.
Okay.
So what you son do is you could turn it.
We cannot turn it upside down, sir. They don't have the.
Otherwise we can
right
just
side of
bring,
the anatomy.
bring it up.
I'll just see.
Yeah, we can lift it up.
या तो फिर सर
Okay.
So it's been nice. Bicep.
वे करता है इसका आपको।
पाणी पहिलं इथे.
Lost one flipper is lost.
No. It's only. It's only. Just. No. It's a minor injury. It is.
Yeah, that is not much. That's okay.
You can see. If possible, let's all move out. Let the drug work for 10 minutes. Yes,
Thomas. लवकर चेक मध्ये कसं
एकापच मेळ्ळो
आमी हांगा कोलवा आसा आनी 2 टर्टल येयले हांगा ते जाळा घुसपल्ले आनी आतां रिफर्स्ट टीम येयल्या आनी तांकां ट्रिटमेंट चालू केला आनी आतां तांकां आमी बाणावली वतले ट्रिटमेंटा खातीर.
टोटल्स कोणा मेळ्ळे
टर्टल लोकल पीपल
सर तें कितें म्हणाय
लोकल पीपल फिशरमॅन
स्पायसी हें केल्ली
ऑलिव्ह रेडली टर्टल
ऑलिव्ह रिडली डॉट
आता ताका खंय व्हरतली
आतां ताका बाणावली वतले आमी
राजू म्हणटा
होय सांग.
I am the president of Traditional Fishermen Association of Kolwa. So today at around 6:30, my father was there on the beach. He saw some ghost nets. He saw some ghost net coming up, and then he saw there is one turtle which is entangled to the net, and there is another turtle which is trying to save this turtle towards the beach. He is trying to drag the bigger turtle which is injured towards the beach. So one turtle which was entangled, the other turtle which is smaller one is trying to save this turtle towards the beach so that it can be saved. So my father was there and some tourists were there. We called a lifeguard over here, Kolwa lifeguard. They came, they put them in their jeep, they have brought it in their office here, and now the doctors have come. The forestry department people have come and they will take it to the hospital and then it will be treated. After treatment, then certain days they will also inform us that they have been released back into the sea safely.
So I think there was some workshop for your seminar.
Yeah, we are fishermen, no? So most of the time the fisheries department had conducted one workshop to get awareness about how to save a turtle. So that was there for about 10-15 days ago, and now we are more aware of how to treat a turtle, how to get it into safe hands, who are the departments and all that. So that's what we were like given updates on that day.
So it was useful.
It was always useful. They gave us good tips, tips how to treat a turtle and how to administer emergency first aid.
Thank you. So your name?
Thomas Rodriguez.
President.
Give me 1 minute. 1 minute. 2 टोटल्स भेटलेला आहे किती इंजर्ड आहे ते
एकाला जुनी इंजुरी आहे आणि एकाला आता जस्ट नेट्सनी चांगली ब्लिडिंग होत आहे, तर त्याच्यासाठी आता आम्ही त्यांना शांत करायसाठी एक इंजेक्शन दिलेलं आहे आणि एक गॉजनी तर ब्लिडिंगच्या अगेन्स्ट थांबवून ब्लिडिंग थांबवायचा प्रयत्न करणं चालू आहे.
जाऊ दे